And now let's look at the purpose of ISO 9001, folks. The purpose of ISO 9001 is to provide a framework for a quality management system, QMS, which helps organizations consistently meet customers and regulatory requirements and enhance customer satisfaction. It aims to improve organizational processes and ensure the delivery of high quality products and services. And key objectives or purposes of ISO 9001 include: first, standardizing quality management. The standard can establish consistent quality management practices across various industries and sectors. Another purpose is customer satisfaction, because that ISO is focused on customer needs and striving to exceed customer expectations. Another purpose is process improvement, encouraging continuous improvement in processes, products, and services. The next objective is risk management, through identifying and managing risks and opportunities to ensure reliable quality outcomes. Another purpose is regulatory compliance, ensuring compliance with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards. Another purpose is efficiency and effectiveness, because ISO 9001 is enhancing operational efficiency and effectiveness through systematic process management. So these are all good objectives or purposes of that ISO 9001, folks. Too much helpful, too much beneficial for any company, and as we agreed, any company with no regards to size, industry, or market. After we have tackled the purpose of ISO 9001, let's talk about the 7 principles of that standard. The first principle is customer focus. That principle is calling for understanding and meeting customer needs and expectations, and saying it is too much crucial and fundamental. An organization should strive to exceed customer expectations. But how to apply that principle? Through understanding current and future customer needs, aligning organizational goals with customer requirements, measuring customer satisfaction, and acting on feedback. The second principle is leadership. And that principle is saying that leaders should establish unity of purpose and direction. They should create an environment where people are engaged in achieving the organization's quality objectives. And companies can apply that principle through setting a clear vision and direction for the organization, establishing a culture of trust and integrity, providing resources and support to achieve quality objectives. The third principle is engagement of people. And that principle is requiring competent, empowered, and engaged people at all levels, as it is essential to enhance an organization's capability to create and deliver value. And companies can apply that principle through ensuring people understand their roles in the quality management system, recognizing and rewarding contribution to quality, encouraging collaboration and open communication. The fourth principle is process approach. And that principle is calling for understanding and managing interrelated processes, as a system contributes to the organization's effectiveness and efficiency in achieving its intended results. Understanding and managing interrelated processes as a system contributes to the organization's effectiveness and efficiency in achieving its intended results. And companies can apply that principle through defining processes needed to achieve the desired outcomes, assigning responsibilities and authorities for processes, monitoring and measuring processes to ensure effectiveness. The fifth principle is improvement. And that principle says that successful Organizations have an ongoing focus on improvement, and this principle encourages a proactive approach to improving performance. And companies can apply that principle through setting improvement objectives at all levels, using data and analysis to identify improvement opportunities, implementing and evaluating changes to achieve improvements. The sixth principle is evidence-based decision making. And that principle says that decisions based on the analysis and evaluation of data and information are more likely to produce desired results. And it can be applied through ensuring data is accurate, reliable, and accessible, using data analysis tools to make informed decisions, reviewing outcomes of decisions based on factual evidence. The seventh and last principle is relationship management. And that principle says that for sustained success, organizations should manage the relationships with interested parties, such as suppliers and partners, to optimize their performance. And it can be applied through identifying and managing relationships with key stakeholders, collaborating with suppliers and partners to create value, monitoring and reviewing the performance of external providers.